Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sell Brainrots in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots Roblox. So if your base overflowing with common Brainrots that barely make any money, and if you want to reach the celestial zone, you need to stop hoarding the weak stuff and start selling. So in here, I'm going to show you the sell shop location and how you can sell your Brainrots. So first, you can just pick up your Brainrots. So for example, I'm going to pick up, this one. Just pick it up. And after that, you can just go to the left until you find this little shop that with sell on it. So just talk to the merchant in here and sell the stuff. In here, you can just click on I want sell this Brainrot. And after that, you can just click on yes. And that's it. And you'll get the money. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks.